Hey guys, Ray from loveyourrv.com, and today's video is actually about loveyourrv.com. I've just completed a rather large overhaul of the website and decided to do this little video tour of it to help people navigate around it. Now, this website started in 2012 and there's pretty close to 700 posts on it now, so I have a lot of information to categorize, and that's what I've really tried to do in this update. So this is the front page, a little bit about me, and then there's some links to the most recent posts. Beyond that, I've categorized each of the categories into 5 separate categories. So you have first here mods and upgrades, product reviews, tips and tricks, travel blog posts, and one dedicated to boondocking. And then there's also a page about us. So let's pick one of the topics. Say we hit travel blog posts, that's of interest to you. When you click that, you're going to get into an archive of all my posts listed in chronological order. And you can scroll through them. I'll just quickly scroll down. You can see all the different posts. So this is just from the most recent year. And we'll just scroll down to the bottom, and then there'll be more pages to go beyond that. So you can go through the topics that are of real interest to you. If you want to look at everything I've ever posted, up here you hit this home, all posts list, and then you can go from chronological, you could go right through everything. So that's one way to go through the posts. Also, there's this main navigation bar, and the same thing, I have reviews, tips, mods, blog, and boondock. And under them there's also subcategories. So in reviews I've put some main subcategories. Here's Cougar fifth wheel, our truck, rear view cameras. I have a lot of posts on the Halo rear view cameras, and also a link to some of my favorite products. I put that together because people were asking, what do you use for certain things. So I made a page on what they call the kit page, so sort of a gear page there. Under tips, we've got the latest tips, maintenance, repairs, ones related to fifth wheel trailer, some reader submitted tips people have added over the years, and then there's a free tips ebook link to one that I put out, 46 different tips and tricks. Over the years I've put out a few ebooks as I've gone along. There's mods. Under the blog we have our snowbird travels, photography or hiking. Under boondocking we have solar or the lithium batteries. And then over here is just another way to get to the main archives. Another way to figure out what you're looking for is to use the search. So say you're having problems with your water heater and you want to see if I've done anything on water heaters. So you would enter water heater, hit enter, and the website will spit back anything that I've written that had content to do with the water heater. So let's just go back to the home here, and I'll show you what a post looks like. Let's pick one here, 10 reasons why we chose a fifth wheel. Go to that post. Pretty well every post I have on the website also includes a video. I started doing that early on, so you'll find a video here, and also a lot of times there'll be extra text and photos. On the post side, on the side of the post, they call this a sidebar. You'll find another link to recent posts and another link to the main topics. And over here I also have a forum, and there's some of the latest forum posts there. This bar up here is most of my pages, so if you wanted to contact me, there's a contact page. There's also an about page with a little bit about us and our journey. There's also a newsletter page. Every month I put out a newsletter, and you can subscribe right here. And I give people 3 free ebooks when they subscribe to my newsletter. I don't share the addresses or anything, and you can unsubscribe at any time. There's no obligation. And if you don't want to get it through the email, I always post it in this archive here. So usually a week or so after I've put out the email, I'll also put it on the main archive page here, and when you click that, you can go and read the newsletters without actually subscribing through the mail. Back up here, now this forum, I think it was about a year or so ago I started a Love You RV forum. It's an invite-only forum, kind of a small forum. I think we have about 600 or 700 members right now. But if you want an invite to that, you're welcome to it. Down here, join the forum, and then I've also got a video about how to do that. Next we have gallery. So over the years I've taken a lot of snapshots and photos, and I've put them into a gallery here. So if you're interested in some place, you might find it in the gallery. Pictures are all organized, and you can go through slideshows and check it out. And then finally, up in the corner here, I have a link to shop. I have a couple Amazon pages, one in the US and one in Canada. When you click that, I've organized a lot of the products. Over the years, I've reviewed a lot of products, so I have them organized here. And products that I like and use myself are organized up there. And you can actually just shop through the search bar here, and then I get a kickback on anything you buy, a commission. You don't pay anything more or anything. And I also have an affiliates page. There's a lot of products that I use that I recommend. Line Energy there. There's a boondocking. So any of the affiliates are listed there. So if you buy through the affiliates page, then I also get a little bit of money back to help support my efforts. Anyway, that's basically it. Any questions or anything, or if you find any weird behavior to the website, you can let me know. Also, maybe I should get you a quick look at the mobile version. It's a little different than the full browser version here. There we go. So if you're coming in on a phone, you'll get sort of a page that looks like this, and the two menus up there is that page menu that I went through. And then down here is your main menu, and same thing, you can go through here and click the different drop downs and get to the different areas of the site that you want to get to. So you want to get the latest tips, and you can go scroll through them. Click on one. The videos here are a little smaller when you're looking in a portrait mode, but if you flip your phone sideways, you'll be able to watch the video in a full screen of your phone. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, folks, and I hope you come visit the website. Till next time, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Cheers, everyone.